At Toyota, we're always innovating to ensure that driving is easy, enjoyable and safe. Select new vehicles are now fitted with a communication device and come with a suite of intuitive services to connect you with help when you need it. We call this Toyota Connected Services. The introduction of connected vehicles is an exciting step towards achieving our vision of creating innovative mobility solutions for all Australians, enriching lives with safer and more responsible ways of moving people. You can tell if your Toyota is a connected vehicle if it's equipped with an SOS button inside the car. Because your Toyota is connected, it can now request 24/7 help at the push of a button. Automatically notify our emergency response centre in the event your airbag deploys, and can be tracked if reported stolen. Your vehicle's location will only ever be shared with us in the event of an emergency and remains secure and protected. Toyota Connected Services means we'll be here to help when you need us. To find out more, please visit our website. Oh, what a feeling. Toyota.